going to Edmonds Aviation in Searcy. It's a little bit more than convenience. You know, I've got a spot right there that's next to my hangar, and you want somebody that knows what they're doing when they work on your airplane. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with those guys, but it's worth the 20-minute flight to have Will and those guys take a look at it. Jonathan, they're as good as they come. This is what I love about these guys. Come in, that gets your filters ready, your additives ready. They got your Blackstone laboratory deal where your for your oil analysis. We'll do, man.
So we got a 2015 Beechcraft Baron G58. We're doing an oil change on today. We start by draining the oil, collecting an oil sample to send off for review, check for premature wear and bearings and other metals inside the engine.
I'm cutting the oil filter open to inspect for any kind of deterioration or wear in the engine, metal shavings, stuff like that. All right, so we got to take this out. It's gonna make a mess. I got to go around and cut all this so we pull the paper out. Once you get them laid out like this, you can take a magnet and drag through them. It'll pick up any, metal shavings or whatever.
Send the oil sample off. It's nothing big.
Yeah.
Send the oil sample off, see what it goes back with.
Yeah, the oil sample will tell you. It'll tell you what component, it came from in the engine.
So what kind of metal?
Yeah. Based on the metal.
They can kind of pinpoint it.
All this stuff in here is just carbon from normal engine operation.
Next, we pull the oil filter, swap it out with the new oil filter, check everything around the oil filter, and engine for oil leaks. Then we service it with fresh oil, and this time we're putting some Av blend in this one. Help wear and tear inside. There's not much to an oil change.